त्रयोदशः पाठः 13th lesson वसिष्ठस्य तत् वचनं श्रुत्वा नृपः विश्वामित्रं वदति वसिष्ठस्य तत् वचनं श्रुत्वा तत् वचनं refers to those words वसिष्ठस्य of Vasishtha श्रुत्वा having heard नृपः the king Vishwamitram to Vishwamitra vadati tells. So Vasishthasya tat vachanam shrutva nrupaha Vishwamitram vadati. So having heard those wise words of Vasishtha, the king tells Vishwamitra the following. Bhagavan mam kshamasva. Bhagavan, O Lord, mam, me, kshamasva, forgive. So Bhagavan mam kshamasva, O Lord, please forgive me. Ramam te dasyami iti. Ramam te to you, dasyami, I will give. Iti tas. So Ramam te dasyami iti. I will give Rama to you, which means I will send Rama along with you. Anena Dasharathasya vachanena Vasishtha Vishwamitrau prasannau bhavataha. Anena vachanena, because of these words, Dasharathasya of Dasharatha, Vasishtha Vishwamitrau, both Vasishtha and Vishwamitra, prasannau, pleased, bhavataha, become. Anena Dasharathasya vachanena Vasishtha Vishwamitrau prasannau bhavataha. With these words of Dasharatha, both Vasishtha and Vishwamitra become pleased. Raja Dasharatha Ramam ahvayati. Raja Dasharatha, King Dasharatha, Ramam, Rama, ahvayati, calls. So Raja Dasharatha Ramam ahvayati. King Dasharatha calls Rama. Ramaha Shighram agacchati. Rama Shighram, fast, agacchati, comes. So Ramaha Shighram agacchati. Rama comes quickly. Ramena saha Lakshmanaha api agacchati. Ramena saha, along with Rama, Lakshmana api also agacchati, comes. So Ramena saha Lakshmanaha api agacchati. Along with Rama, Lakshmana also comes. So because both brothers are inseparable, Lakshmana is like the shadow of Rama. So along with Rama, Lakshmana also comes. Agrataha Ramaha agataha. Tasya prishtataha cha Lakshmanaha. Agrataha means in the front. Ramaha agataha. Agataha means came. So agrataha Ramaha agataha. So Rama came in front. Tasya prishtataha. Prishtataha means behind. Tasya means Ramasya. So of Rama. So behind him, Lakshmanaha. Tasya prishtataha cha Lakshmanaha. And following him or behind him, Lakshmana came. Nrupaha Priyam Putram Ramam Tatha Eva Lakshmanancha Vishwamitraya Prayachati. Nrupaha, king, Priyam Putram Ramam, his dear son Rama, Tatha, similarly, Tatha Eva means similarly, Lakshmana also. So both Rama and Lakshmana are the dear sons of the king. Vishwamitraya to Vishwamitra Prayachati. He gives, which means he agrees to send both these children, both his dear beloved children, along with Vishwamitra. So Nrupaha Priyam Putram Ramam Tatha Eva Lakshmanancha Vishwamitraya Prayachati. The king sends his dear son Rama as well as his dear sons Rama as well as Lakshmana with Vishwamitra. Or he gives both these sons to Vishwamitra. Tena Vishwamitraha santushtaha bhavati. Tena, because of this reason, Vishwamitra santushtaha, happy, bhavati, becomes. So, Tena Vishwamitraha santushtaha bhavati. Because of this reason, Vishwamitra becomes happy. Rama Lakshmano Vishwamitram namataha. Rama Lakshmano, both Rama and Lakshmana, Vishwamitram namataha. Namataha means worship. Whom do they worship? Vishwamitra. Okay, so Rama Lakshmana Vishwamitram Namataha. Namataha is offering their salutations. So both Rama and Lakshmana, they offer their salutations to Vishwamitra. Saha api hastau udyamya ताभ्याम् आशीर्वचनं यच्छति. सः अपि, सः here refers to Vishwamitra. So Vishwamitraha api means also. Hastau udyamya, hastau refers to both hands, udyamya means raising, so having raised. Okay, so having raised both his hands, Vishwamitra also tabhyam, to both of them, yachati gives. What does he give? Ashirvachanam, his blessings. Okay, so saha api hastau udyamya tabhyam ashirvachanam yachati. So Vishwamitra also in turn, he raises both his hands and gives his blessings to both the children. Okay, so let us once again read this lesson. त्रयोदशः पाठः. वसिष्ठस्य तत्वचनं श्रुत्वा नृपः विश्वामित्रं वदति, भगवन् मां क्षमस्व, रामं ते दास्यामि इति. अनेन दशरथस्य वचनेन वसिष्ठः विश्वामित्रौ प्रसन्नौ भवतः. राजा दशरथः रामम् आह्वयति. रामः शीघ्रम् आगच्छति. रामेण सह लक्ष्मणः अपि आगच्छति. अग्रतः रामः आगतः. तस्य पृष्ठतः च लक्ष्मणः. नृपः प्रियं पुत्रं रामं तथा एव लक्ष्मणं च विश्वामित्राय प्रयच्छति. तेन विश्वामित्रः सन्तुष्टः भवति. रामलक्ष्मणौ विश्वामित्रं नमतः. सः अपि हस्तौ उद्यम्य ताभ्याम् आशीर्वचनं यच्छति.